Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pancakes at home. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder for that perfect rise. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of salt to enhance the taste. For the wet ingredients, have 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter ready. Now, let's create that perfect pancake batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, lightly beat the egg, then stir in the milk and melted butter. Gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir until just combined. Remember, a few small lumps are good and will result in tender pancakes. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes. It's time to cook our pancakes. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the surface. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side. You'll know it's time to flip when bubbles appear on the surface and the edges look set. Flip them gently and cook until golden brown on the other side. Your delicious homemade pancakes are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Classic choices like rich maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream are always a hit. Feel free to get creative with additions like chocolate chips, sliced bananas, or a sprinkle of cinnamon sugar. Enjoy your delightful breakfast or brunch, knowing you've made these wonderful pancakes from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.